In this lesson, we will understand how to use the Hugging Face for question answering. We will also see an example. Let us start. So we will use the Transformers library of Hugging Face for performing question answering task. We will run the code on Google Colab. So here we will use the following model, which is publicly available on Hugging Face. So we don't need to create an access token for this. So let us see the example on Google Colab. So here we will open our code. First we will install the required libraries we have shown. We have used the same pip install command which we saw before to install the required libraries. After that we will load a pre-trained QA model and tokenizer. Here is our model and the tokenizer. Prepare the input for QA task, that is for the question answering task. We need a context as well as a question. What is a context now? It is a paragraph or text where the answer might be found. That is the following. I am providing a context also. And here is the question. So this is about me, and here is the question you want to answer. Okay, so we have set both. After that we will tokenize the input, tokenize the context and question using the tokenizer. We have done both. Get the model's prediction, pass the tokenized input to the model to get the answer. That is the following. It will extract the start and end scores also. Okay, it will get the most likely start and end positions. Okay, here, and it will use the same to convert token IDs back to words so that the answer is displayed here. Answer underscore tokens will be set here and it will be decoded back to words. This will have your output. So here the question was where Amit Diwan is based. The context was the following and the answer is Delhi. So in this way guys, we can perform question answering easily.